Hello everyone, here's a question based on amines. Which of the following reactions will not give primary amine as the product? In the case of 1, we have acetamide. Acetamide is treated with bromine in presence of potassium hydroxide. This is Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Therefore, the product that we obtain is methylamine or methanamine. Proper IUPAC name is methanamine, which is a primary amine. Therefore, that is not our correct answer. In the case of 2, we are treating acetonitrile with lithium aluminum hydride followed by acidic hydrolysis. We know that lithium aluminum hydride is a very powerful reducing agent. Therefore, here we would get ethylamine or ethanamine, which is also a primary amine because the nitrogen atom is directly connected to only one carbon. And in the case of 3, we have methyl isocyanide that is treated with the lithium aluminum hydride followed by acidic hydrolysis. In this case, we would get a dimethyl ammonium salt, CH3 twice and then NH2 plus. Dimethyl ammonium salt is our product. Only if we do basic neutralization, if we treat the dimethyl ammonium salt with the base, then we can get dimethylamine. But dimethylamine is a secondary amine because the nitrogen is directly connected to 2 methyl groups, 2 carbons. So, therefore, that is a secondary amine. This step is not mentioned in the question. The base neutralization is not mentioned in the question. It is just mentioned as lithium aluminum hydride followed by acidic hydrolysis. If we stop at the stage of acidic hydrolysis, we can only get secondary ammonium salt. We won't get the dimethyl amine. And in the case of 4, we are treating acetamide once again with lithium aluminum hydride followed by acidic hydrolysis. Here we would get a primary ammonium salt, that is CH3 CH2 NH3 plus. That's what we would get. This is a primary ammonium salt. Once again, only if we do a base neutralization, then we can get ethylamine. But ethylamine is a primary amine. So, therefore, the correct answer in this case has to be option 3 because that is giving a secondary ammonium salt. And secondary ammonium salt, if we do a base neutralization, it would just take up a proton and we would get a secondary amine, that is dimethylamine. So, therefore, option 3 is correct. But keep it in mind that the base neutralization step is not mentioned in the question paper. So, if we are comparing secondary ammonium salt versus primary ammonium salt, in the first 2 cases we have primary amine, in the 4th case we have primary ammonium salt. So, therefore, our correct answer has to be secondary ammonium salt because that is not giving a primary amine in the end. It is giving secondary amine. So, therefore, option 3 is definitely correct.